Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class. How are you today?
Good morning.
Good morning. Fine.
Well, I'm happy to meet you again in this meeting. Okay, I want to take your attendance. Who is absent today? Fadil present?
Fadil present. Complete.
Present, yeah. Complete, ya, alhamdulillah.
Complete.
Okay, please lead the prayer by Rashid.
Before we start our lesson, let's say basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you. Okay, class, I will share presentation today. Can you see the screen? Bisa terlihat?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes.
Our lesson today will focus on reading comprehension. You can identify the topic from explanation text, and then you can determine detailed information from explanation text, and then you can analyze social function, structure, and then closest meaning from explanation text. All right, let's continue. I have a question for you. Can you mention natural phenomenon? Do you know? Natural phenomenon?
Pandemic.
Yes.
Pandemic.
Pandemic.
COVID-19.
COVID-19,
Coronavirus.
that's right. Another natural phenomenon? Earthquake, that's right. And then?
Tsunami.
Tsunami, oke, thank you. Itu namanya natural phenomenon atau fenomena alam, ya. Next. Look at. This is, I give you a picture. What is the picture?
Virus.
Virus. Yes, virus.
Ian.
Yes, of course. This the picture is virus. Is it dangerous for human?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course, yes, dangerous for human. Do you know how is the spreading COVID-19? Tahu nggak bagaimana penyebarannya?
It's spread from the air.
Yes, from the air. The air itu di udara, ya. Alright. To more understand about virus, let's watch the video together. After watch the video, then answer, do the quizzes. Yeah, do the quizzes to answer right, true or false. Let's look together.
The COVID-19 virus spreads. The COVID-19 virus spreads mainly between people in close contact with each other. It spreads most easily in crowded settings, closed spaces with poor ventilation, or through prolonged contact with an infected person. This is because, as a person infected with the COVID-19 virus breathes, talks, coughs, or sneezes, liquid particles of various sizes are expelled into the air. Larger particles are called droplets. Smaller particles are called aerosols. You can contract the virus if infected particles come into contact with your eyes, nose, or mouth. Whether you are inside or outside, always maintain a physical distance of at least 1 meter from others. When you are in an enclosed or poorly ventilated space, the virus can spread more easily. In these conditions, aerosols can remain suspended in the air or travel farther than 1 meter. When you are inside, make sure to stay at least 1 meter from others. Wear a mask. Open a window to improve ventilation. And limit your time spent in these settings. To protect yourself and others, always follow these 6 precautions.
All right. Now, please do the quizzes that I have shared on chat room. Yeah. Have you got the link from the chat room?
Yes.
Yeah. Please do the quizzes now. Wait a minute. Yes. Come on, let's start now. Let's start now. Yeah, you just choose true or false from the video. Yeah. Yeah, very good for Axel. Yeah. Yeah. Fayat also the first. Yes. Good, Hadi Zulfikar, yes. Raihan Atala, yes. Kanza, come on. Semangat Kanza. Rashid. Hanif, Bayu, Atarik, Zildan, Radela. Yeah, Hanif. Okay, come on, Vino. Yes. Only 5 questions. Okay. Fayaz Akso have done. Yeah, Rafi have done. Rashid have done. Yes. Kanza have done. Very good. Rafi have done. Yeah. Come on, Najmi. Tino. Para Akso have done, Radela have done, Torik have done, Hanif have done, and then Rafi have done. Very good. Najmi, come on. Okay, Atarik have done, Atarik. Yes, okay. Time is almost done. I will close. Right, okay. 88%, yeah. Dinan, come on. All right. I will end this quizzes because the time is up for quizzes. All right. Next, let's continue. Okay. From the video and quizzes, there are some statements about COVID-19. The COVID-19 spread mainly between people in close contact with each other. Is it true?
True.
True, yes, good. And then it spread most easily in crowded setting. Is it true?
True.
True, yes. Jadi menyebarnya itu mudah, gitu ya. Di tempat yang crowded, yang ramai. And then large particle are called droplet.
True.
True. Yang ini
Oh,
ya, kalau yang tadi, kalau yang di kuisis itu adalah false karena Ibu rubah large particle-nya menggunakan aerosol. Jadi yang betul adalah large particles are called droplets. Kalau yang small particles are called aerosols, ya. And when you are in an enclosed or poorly ventilated spaces, the virus can spread more easily. Is it true, ya? Alright, that's from the video. Next, continue with the keyword. I give you the keyword for our learning today. Look at action verb, spread. Spread menyebar, and then suspended, melayang. Pas melayang, ya. Jadi itu seperti udara yang melayang, ya. And then emerging, muncul, disease, penyakit. Respiratory, pernapasan, and then aerosols, sneeze, droplets, cough, breath, contaminated, transmissible, infected. Nah ini, this is the keyword that we find out from the text. Okay. This is the example of explanation text. Okay, look at the title. How is the spreading of COVID-19? So everyone, do you know in Bahasa Indonesia how is the spreading of COVID-19? Artinya apa spreading?
Bagaimana penyebaran virus corona?
Yes, that's right. Bagaimana virus itu? Bagaimana penyebaran COVID-19? Alright. Look at the word that I have highlighted. Disease. Disease in bahasa Indonesia. Penyakit. Respiratory.
Pernapasan.
Yes, pernapasan. And then spread.
Menyebar.
Infected.
Infeksi.
Terinfeksi.
Yes.
Cough.
Batuk.
Yes. Sneeze.
Bersin.
Breath.
Nafas.
Yeah. And then, wait a minute. Breath. Droplets. You know,
Tetesan apa gitu?
Tetesan, ya. Aerosols.
Tetesan yang kecil.
Smaller than droplet, ya. Jadi lebih kecil partikelnya. And then inhale.
Menghirup.
Yes, menghirup. Tuh ya, menghirup, and then remain suspended.
Tetap menyebar.
Melayang.
Melayang, ya, tetap
Melayang.
melayang. In the air itu di udara. Ya. And then contaminated.
Terkontaminasi.
Wait. And then emerging.
Muncul,
ya. And then transmissible.
Menular.
Okay, remember that word. Ingat ya katanya. Alright, let's find out the meaning of the text. Let's translate together. Look at the first paragraph. We know that the disease is caused by the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS coronavirus 2, which spreads between people in several different ways. Who wants to translate the first paragraph?
Kanza, Bu.
Okay, very good, Kanza. Go.
Kita tahu bahwa penyakit ini disebabkan oleh sindrom pernapasan akut yang parah. Coronavirus ini, SARS-CoV-2 ini yang menyebar di antara orang-orang dengan beberapa cara yang berbeda.
Okay, good job, Kanza. Next, the second paragraph. Who wants to translate? Aksa or Satria?
Najib, Bu, boleh, Bu.
Okay, please go.
Virus dapat menyebar dari mulut atau hidung. Orang yang terinfeksi dalam partikel cairan kecil ketika mereka batuk, bersin, berbicara, bernyanyi, atau bernapas. Partikel-partikel ini berkisar dari tetesan pernapasan yang lebih besar hingga aerosol yang lebih kecil.
Yes, good, right. Next, the third paragraph. Current evidence suggests that the virus spreads mainly between people who are in close contact with each other, typically within 1 meter or short range. A person can be infected when aerosols or droplets containing the virus are inhaled or come directly into contact with the eyes, nose, or mouth. Who wants to translate it?
Rashid, Bu.
Rashid, yeah, go.
Bukti saat ini menunjukkan bahwa virus menyebar terutama di antara orang-orang yang melakukan kontak dekat.
Yes.
Satu sama lain biasanya dalam jarak 1 meter.
Yes.
Seseorang dapat terinfeksi ketika aerosol atau tetesan yang mengandung virus terhirup
ya,
atau bersentuhan langsung dengan mata, hidung, atau mulut.
Very good. Yes. Next. Fourth paragraph. The fourth paragraph. The virus can also spread in poorly ventilated and or crowded indoor settings where people tend to spend longer periods of time. This is because aerosol remains suspended in the air or travel further than 1 meter. Who wants to translate it? The virus? Yeah, please go.
Virus ini juga dapat menyebar di lingkungan dalam ruangan yang berventilasi buruk.
Yes, poorly in there.
Dan atau ramai, di mana orang cenderung menghabiskan waktu lebih lama. Ini karena aerosol tetap melayang di udara atau bergerak lebih jauh dari jarak 1 meter.
Okay, good job. That's right. Next, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth paragraph. People may also become infected by touching surfaces that have been contaminated by the virus when touching their eyes, nose, or mouth without cleaning their hands. Who wants to translate it?
Azka, Miss.
Azka, yeah, please go.
Orang juga dapat terinfeksi gitu, dengan menyentuh permukaan yang telah terkontaminasi virus saat menyentuh mata, hidung, atau mulut tanpa membersihkan tangan.
Yes, that's right. Next, the last paragraph. Further research is ongoing to better understand the spread of the virus and which settings are most risky and why. Research is also underway to study virus variants that are emerging and why some are more transmissible. The last paragraph, who wants to try?
Bu.
Yeah, please go.
Penelitian lebih lanjut sedang berlangsung untuk lebih memahami penyebaran virus dan pengaturan mana yang paling beresiko dan mengapa. Penelitian juga sedang dilakukan untuk mempelajari varian virus yang muncul dan mengapa beberapa lebih mudah menular.
Very good. Okay. Also, all of you understand about this text, yeah? You have understand about this text about how is the spreading of COVID-19. Now, it's time to discuss with your group. I will divide classroom into 4 groups, yeah? You have to identify the topic, and then determine detailed information, and then third, analyze social function, structure, and closest meaning from the explanation text. All right. Group 1, Rashid, Alvino, Dinan, Fadlan, Hanif. And then group 2, Kanza, Dafa, Raihan, Akso, and Bayu. And group 3, Hadi, Nazmi, Azka, Tori, Muharib. And group 4, Zildan, Radela, Rafi, and Atari. All right, get ready. Create a new group on your WhatsApp group, yeah, and then discuss about identify the topic. I will share on your WhatsApp group. Wait a minute. Yeah, please do it now. I will share on by WhatsApp group.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Have you answered number 1? What is the topic about?
The topic is about how is the spreading COVID-19.
Okay, so you have done, all right. Let's wait your friend to answer task 2. To analyze the closest meaning based on the text. All right, this is your result. Can you see the Padlet on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. I asked you to read your result for group 1. Group 1 is Rashid, yeah? Is it true?
Yes.
Yeah, please read your answer number 1, number 2.
The topic is about how is the spreading COVID-19.
Yes, and number 2?
Number 2, the virus can spread from an infected person by droplets or aerosols.
Yeah, that's right. Your answer is right. Betul, jawabannya udah betul. And then task 2, read.
Oh.
Number 1?
Number 1, disease.
The closest meaningnya?
Illness.
Illness. And then spread?
Spread, disseminate.
Disseminate. And then infected?
Contaminated.
Yeah, right. Very good. Next, group 2 by Kanza. Kanza, ya, have done, yeah. This is number 3 and 4. Could you please to read number 3?
The virus can spread from an infected person when they cough, sneeze, speak, sing, or breathe.
Okay, good. But ini ada kata cough ya. Repeat apa nih? Cough.
Cough.
Yes. Cough itu apa? Cough itu apa, Kanza? Batuk ya. They are cough. Sneeze. Kalau sneeze itu bersin ya. And speak berbicara, sing nyanyi, breathe bernapas. Okay, good. Next, you can ask your friend, your partner to read number 4.
Aksa.
Aksa. Okay, Aksa. Please read number 4.
Number 4, remain suspended. Stay.
No, this is task 1. Task 1.
Task 1? Oh, sorry. Yes. A person can be infected when aerosols or droplets containing the virus are inhaled or come directly into contact with the eyes, nose, or mouth, spread in poorly ventilated and or crowded indoor settings, touching surfaces that have been contaminated by the virus when touching their eyes, nose, or mouth without cleaning their hands.
Okay, good. Your answer for group 2 is right. Yeah, number 3 and number 4. Okay, you can ask your group, your friends, to answer task 2.
Bayu.
Bayu, please read number 4.
Remain suspended, stay.
Yes, and then number 5.
Travel, move.
Ya, good. Jadi ini betul ya semua jawabannya. How about group 3? Group 3, who is the leader? Who is the leader? Group 3. I forgot.
Nazmi.
Azka.
Hadi, group 3 Hadi, Nazmi, Azka, Torik, Muharik. So who wants to read the answer? Number 5, task 1.
Govi.
Okay, go.
Task 1. The purpose of the writer to explain how does the COVID-19 can spread to human.
Yes, right. Spread, yeah, spread to human. You can ask your partner to read task 2. Nazmi, please. Your result. Number 6.
Number 6. Inhaled, breathe in.
Yes.
Contact, communication.
And then?
And the last, risky, dangerous.
Okay, very good. Yang number 6 itu pronunciation-nya inhaled ya. Inhaled, the synonym is breathe in. Breathe in. All right, good. Group 3, your answer right. Yeah, 100. Group 4. Group 4, Zildan, Radela, Raffi, and Atari. Who wants to read task 1, number 6? Just read up to wear a mask in public.
Adli.
Yeah, go.
6. To prevent the spread of COVID-19. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick.
And then?
Wear a mask in public.
Okay, good. Ini ada kata appear ya, don't appear artinya ya, don't appear. And then please ask your friend to read the result.
Zildan.
Okay, Zildan, please.
Okay.
Choose open.
Choose open where ventilate space over plus 1. Open a window if indoors.
And then?
Get
clean your hands.
Often soap and water or hand sanitizer.
Yes, thank you. And then please ask your friend to read the next answer.
Tapi Bu.
Yeah, go.
Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination.
Okay, good. Nah, pronunciation-nya ini get vaccinated. Get vaccinated. Okay, follow me. Get vaccinated. Get vaccinated.
Get
vaccinated. Okay. When it's your turn, follow local guidance about vaccination. Repeat. Vaccination.
Vaccination.
Yeah, very good. Next, ask your partner to read. Have done. Rapi Atarik, are you there?
Ya, Bu.
Okay. You can read. Cover your nose and mouth, please.
Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze.
Yeah, you cough, yeah. You cough. You cough or sneeze. Okay. And then the last, stay
if you feel unwell.
Okay, your answer right. Next, task 2. Task 2 read by Raffi. Have done, Raffi?
Yes. Yes, okay. Miss.
Could you please to read your answer, number 9 and number 10?
Emerging is appearing. Transmissible.
Transmissible.
Contagious.
Contagious, okay. Now repeat after me. Transmissible.
Transmissible.
Contagious.
Contagious.
Okay, emerging.
Emerging.
Appearing.
Appearing.
Yeah, right, okay. Your result is all of you get 100 because you can answer all the questions. Yeah. Right, let's continue. Wait a minute. Okay. Can you log in e-learning? Now I will evaluation. This is work individual, not in a group. Please log in e-learning. Can you? Did you still remember the ID?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Just log in, please. Log in. Yeah, okay. Right. You have done do the work individual. Yeah. So I will write on my evaluation that all of you understand, yeah, about the material. Okay. Next, let's make conclusion. Wait a minute. Okay, class. So, do you know what kinds of text that we have discussed? Jadi kalian tadi kita udah membahas teks ya. Kira-kira what kinds of text that we have discussed? You can check from this. This is explanation text. Okay. What kind of text? Explanation.
Explanation text.
Explanation text. So explanation text is discussed about how, ya. Tadi kan judulnya itu ada how and why something happen. Bagaimana sesuatu itu terjadi and mengapa itu terjadi. Ya, how is the spreading of COVID-19? Ya, and then you have known about social function. Fungsi sosialnya untuk apa? To explain the audience how is the spreading of COVID-19. Tadi udah ya kalian jawab. And then the conclusion of the text, coronavirus can spread by. Jadi coronavirus itu bisa menyebar melalui apa, Kak? Apa ini? Mouth, and then nose, dari orang yang terinfeksi ya. And then ketika mereka apa? Cough itu apa cough? Batuk, and then sneeze. Bersin, and then speak. Berbicara, and then breath. Bernyanyi. Kalau bernafas. Ya itu cara penyebarannya. And then between people who are in close contact with each other. Jadi ketika orang itu saling berdekatan gitu ya. Jadi so we have to physical distancing gitu ya, 1 meter. And then in poorly ventilated, apa poorly ventilated? Ventilasi yang
kurang ventilasi.
Betul, yang poorly, yang jelek gitu ya, yang buruk. And then crowded indoor setting, di ruangan yang ramai gitu ya. Oke, nah, ini ada to prevent of spreading COVID-19. Alright, next, please for reflection today, write on Padlet ya. I have shared on the chat room. Please write the reflection today. I give you in 1 minute. You just click the link. I've done. Click the link and then write your name. Please go now. Write your name. Example, Kanza. Try it, please. It's okay. You just click the link and then write your name. What you have learned today? You have learned about explanation text and then about clauses meaning and how do you feel after learning English? Yeah, okay. I think that's enough today. So because time is over. Okay, time is over. Thank you very much for your kind attention. In the next meeting, we will discuss about structure and language features of explanation text. So please close our session by Rashid.
Let's close with hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, thank you for everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You can learn from this Zoom. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Miss.